Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome, obviously, to a daily update on Solana. It's necessary. It's very much necessary because yesterday we talked about that the market looked strong, and that if Bitcoin would actually break out, that Solana could also get to the top of the range, which it is at right now at 105, right here. And it did, all right? So if you watched the video yesterday, you would have expected that if you also kept an eye on Bitcoin. But the thing is that Bitcoin has been way more bullish than Solana. And obviously, I mean, right now, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, that's quite logical. Bitcoin dominance is going up. So when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up as well, but a little bit less so. So that's the situation for Solana right now. And the big question is, and we've talked about this multiple times in the last weeks. We've also talked about this yesterday. The main question is can Solana actually break out? Because the main resistance level, and that has been the main resistance level basically since the beginning of January, is this level right here between, like some people say 105, I would say 108, 106, all right? So it's this level that has provided us with resistance for quite a lot of times. Last time we tried it was the 30th of January. Then it provided a lot of resistance. So the main question is can we actually break above that? Because I do think that right now the ADX is slowly sloping up. For Solana itself, the momentum is not bad either. I mean, if you look at the momentum right here, what you'll see is that it is increasing. I mean, obviously in these market circumstances, but still you need that to actually break out. So that in combination with Bitcoin, that's still very strong right now, gives us very much the best chance to actually break above this. And if we break above this, I would say Solana is bullish again. We're at least technically, and when looking at the market structure, we're in a bullish formation, all right? Because then we can take some sort of a bullish break retest and rally up to 118, 120. That would be my first price target. But ultimately, we can start talking about 125, 135, 150 maybe even, but that's a bit too far. So a lot's possible if we actually get that bullish breakout. But honestly, yesterday I told you that I did not think it was most likely that we would get that breakout. And at this moment, I am also not convinced yet. I mean, if Solana breaks out, it's done, all right? We've broken out and then we're bullish. I would say 1 hour time frame is the minimum we need to get some sort of a breakout on. But if we break out on a 4 hour time frame, that would be ideal. And then I would say it's really confirmed. But can we expect that? Given the fact, given the open interest that we have right now, I mean, obviously Bitcoin is still very bullish, but who knows what Bitcoin will do? And if you look at the open interest for Solana, like it's high, but it is, it's getting near the levels it was at when we were at 114. So I guess that's bullish, but at this moment it's still at the same level as the 30th of January. So again, it's very reliant on Bitcoin. I would say Bitcoin needs to get up to like 48 or 49,000 before we can assume that Solana is going to break out. So do I think a breakout is possible and realistic? Yes. Do I expect it? Not necessarily. I'm taking it into account for sure, but I don't expect it necessarily, and I'm not taking any positions until I see that breakout. Because if there's no breakout, like if Bitcoin starts to pull back from here, which would not be that weird after the bullish momentum we've had, then Solana will probably not break out, especially if the Bitcoin dominance continues to increase like it has been doing. So those are my thoughts. I'll try to keep you updated. I mean, like I said, it's very much possible that we'll get a breakout here. At this moment, still, I'm just not convinced that it's absolutely a guarantee. So those are my thoughts, and that's what you need to know for now. I think if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my premium and signal group, in which you'll definitely get a good entry on Sol when I think it's good to go. But that's also up to you, of course. So if you're interested, check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.